Just take your own life. Say, how many people did I grow up with? How many people have I met? How many relatives and have I known? Mother, father, grandfather, sister, uncle, etc. And if I look back, how many of them have any genuine interest in God? Zero. They're interested in money, body, family, and sense enjoyment. And then throw in politics and sports and travel and fashion and entertainment and movies and music, parties and having a good time and birthdays and anniversaries and deaths, etc. Then that's life. That's the whole world. So it's good to be hard on yourself, but not too hard. You're came to Vrindavan, attending a seminar, how to chant better holy name, what are the lilas of Krishna. Oh, my heart is so hard, and my tongue is so dry. I have no attraction to Krishna's lila, and I have no attraction to Krishna's name. But let me hear some more. So the idea you have attraction to hear about chanting Krishna's name, and the idea that you have attraction to hearing about his lila, means you have ruchi for nam and lila. So it's all about feeling and mood and attitude.